Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the fifth question of the time, speed, distance chapter. So question says the time it takes for person P1 to take 10 steps is same as the time it takes for person P2 to take 12 steps. P1 covers 10% more distance in each step when compared with P2. Find the ratio of the distance traveled by P1 and P2 in a given amount of time. So let us suppose in time t, P1 covers 10 steps and P2 in the same time t will cover 12 steps. Okay, so we will now find the ratio of distance traveled in time t. Okay, because that is, you can find any given amount of time, but they should be equal. So in time t, in which P1 is taking 10 steps and P2 is taking 12 steps. Okay, now it says P1 covers 10% more distance in each step when compared with P2. So let's say in each step P2 covers X amount of distance. P2 covers X amount of distance, whatever the unit is. P2 covers X. So P1 will cover how much? Then P1 covers 10% more than X, which is 1.1x. Okay, so in each step P2 covers X, P1 covers 1.1x. So in 10 steps P1, distance covered by P1 in 10 steps will be how much? In one step P1 is covering 1.1x. So in 10 steps the distance is 10 into 1.1x, which is equal to 11x. And for P2, the same distance is 12 steps into, in one step P2 covers x distance. So P2 cover 12 into x, which is 12x. So that means in the given amount of time, P1 is covering 11x. P1 is covering 11x as the distance and P2 is covering 12x as the distance. So the ratio of the distance traveled will be 11x by 12x, which will be equal to 11 is to 12. Okay, and that over here is the right answer. Alright, that's how you solve the question.